give a very special thanks to MGA for sending this product to us for free. What's up, Fabs and Besties? We just got a special delivery from MGA. Does that say Shadow? This box kind of looks like a laptop. Let's open it. Yeah, there's like a keyboard and my name is on the screen. Do you see that? Let's type in the password so we can introduce Luna Madison. Do not adjust your screen. These dolls are in like a grayscale. Welcome to Shadow High. Rainbow High has officially met its match. Expect the unexpected from the fine arts students of Shadow High. And look, here's my admissions letter. Approved. I even got a t-shirt and a hashtag Team Shadow High poster. Can't wait to find you on the shelves. I think this is a pretty cool idea. And I can print our locker printables on grayscale, take foam board, cut a 13-inch piece, score a line 11.5 inches from the sides so it can bend, and we can make a large trifold. Cut strips of black foam board or paper. I cut a piece of black cardstock to fit the center of the trifold. Cut it in half. Cut out windows. I cut out 8 little squares. I glue a foil mirror paper behind it, glue them into the center of the foam board, frame it with the foam board around the edges to make faux doors. I glue our printable lockers onto the side walls. I even printed out the locker that makes it look like one is open. I just fold on the lines. It folds accordion style. Glue cardstock behind the door to give the door more strength. Glue it onto the wall to make a locker door that can open. I put mirror paper over the handles to make an easy locker scene. And since this is reflective, I have some scrapbook paper under the camera to try to help with the whole visual. Her doll stand is dark gray with little bits of glitter in it. On the front, we can see SH for Shadow High. Luna Madison is film focused. Whoa, this is doing crazy things to my eyes. This doll is gray. Let's add some more sparkly paper across the top for a little something extra. This doll comes with a comb. It is a little different than the Rainbow High combs. You can see little studs and it has an SH on it. Luna has a gray skin tone. Her hair is really soft in the back and I don't even know what to call this color. It's kind of like a silver platinum kind of thing. Her hair is styled in 2 little knots on top. She has bangs and 2 long curls in front. There's a little bit of product in it, but not a lot. It's actually kind of soft. Now her eyes do have a little color. They're kind of a really light lavender. She has white eyeshadow, black eyeliner, a little bit of glitter. She has a dark lip color with a little bit of shimmer, and you can see a little blush on her cheeks. She has gray earrings that are removable. She comes wearing a metallic outfit with little stud details. The letters SH in the center. At the legs, it goes out to the sides. It's kind of like a jumper because you can see more fabric for like the shorts underneath, but it is all one piece. She wears silver colored gloves, has silver painted nails, and those nails are kind of pointy. Wait, have Rainbow High nails always been like that? No, Rainbow High Mini Toya has much shorter nails. They are kind of pointy, but I think they're cute. She wears a bracelet on each arm. This one is very delicate, but it looks so pretty to me. I love it. The other bracelet looks like it spells shadow. Luna is wearing strappy knee-high sandals with metallic socks and comes with a second outfit. And let me just say, taking this out of the box was a little easier than in the past.
I have struggled with opening Rainbow High boxes.
Oh, that's cute. And it's stretchy. Well, this outfit is giving me all kinds of sci-fi vibes. It's time to go get changed.
Oh, you have to undo these little shoes to get them off.
We have the new shoes on. They're black, dark gray, and silver. And on the front, it says Shadow. I like this little detail on the side. We put on her black dress. It has silver stitching going down the front and silver faux buttons, thin straps, and it velcros in the back. And there's silver stitching in the back too. I love when they take the time to decorate the back of the clothing items as well. She comes with a metallic jacket that velcros in the back. On the doll, we have a pretty wide neck there. I like that. There's a little zipper going across the top, a faux pocket, and a buckle in front. It is sewn, and so you really can't use it, which I'm okay with because I was never good at using those buckles anyway. The arms feel like a faux leather. It says Shadow going down the side, and she has stripes on her cuff. Here's the back of the jacket. You can see that the belt continues all the way around. And this is probably my favorite outfit for her. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, upper thigh, and knee. When it comes to the fashion, I am loving the grayscale, the black, the metallics. And I'm actually pretty interested in learning more about these characters. Now, for me, personally, the shadowy skin tones are gonna take some getting used to. Let us know how you feel about Shadow High in the comments down below. I love that jacket. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Luna Madison from Shadow High. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
I apologize for everything.